ratio and proportion. Ratio is nothing but it is the division. If I say in one language, in the layman language, what is the ratio? Ratio is the comparison of numbers by dividing. I can say comparison of same kind number by dividing. So there's the two keyword. It is comparison of same kind and by dividing. Same kind means I cannot compare the salary of A with the age of the B. No, it's not ratio. Ratio means both salary or both age. I cannot compare hours with the minute. No. Both should be hours or both should be minutes. So the simple thing is that the unit of both quantity must be same if you are comparing the numbers. So what is the ratio? For example, if I say that the one person, the salary of A is 18,000. It is the salary of A, and salary of B is 15,000. And if I ask what is the ratio, so in the math, if you write down A by B or A ratio B, both are the similar thing. You can write here 18,000 divided by 15,000. It is called the ratio. And if you will cancel out 3 5 are 15 and 3 6 are, so you can write 6 by 5 or 6 ratio 5. It is called the ratio. Remember one thing, ratio is the always simplified form, or we can say it is the last product. 18 by 15 is not ratio. 6 by 5 is the ratio. Or generally we say ratio is the co-prime number. Co-prime number means which cannot further divide the numbers. It's called the ratio. Ratio is the co-prime number. I'm writing the some points of the ratio. Okay. The basic formula of the 5th class, 6th class I'm writing here. Okay. So I'm writing here divide M quantity into A ratio B ratio C. Okay. Divide M quantity into A ratio B ratio C. Okay. Now see if I want to write down the what is the first share. So A upon sum of ratio into M. Okay. First share of the first person. Kaise we did in the school level. A divided by A plus B plus C into M. It is a simple formula to find out the ratio of the. If you want to find out the share of the second person, it's B upon. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? If you want to find the third share of the third person, C upon A plus B plus C equal to M. Okay. Chaliye. So please solve some basic question for me. Ratio of salary are 1 upon 1 by 6 ratio. 4 by 3 ratio 2. Ratio of salary of ABC are this. Okay. Now you have to solve some basic question. First, if total salary is 13,000, 1,500, then what is salary of B? Chaliye, solve this question. If you want to solve this question, it is very, very simple. First step, always simplify the ratio. 6 1 is 1, it's 7 by 6, it's 4 by 3, it's 2 by 1. Okay. Now, what is the method to simplify the ratio for beginners? Okay. First step, always solve the question. How you simplify the simplified ratio means if I multiply all ratio by any non-zero, it will not affect. I'm going to repeat. If I multiply all elements by any non-zero number, ratio will not change. So what you have to do? Mere pyare bachcho, you have to see the denominator and denominator. It is the 631. 631 means what is the LCM? Do you know what is the LCM? LCM is the list number which is divisible by 631. And when I want to find out the LCM of any number, very small number like the 631, what is my concept? I always go for largest number. I take the largest number, 6. Can I say 6 is divisible by 6? Yes. 6 is divisible by 3? Yes. 6 is divisible by 1? Yes. So 6 is the LCM. So what you have to do? Multiply all number by 6. Because I can do, it is the simple rule of the ratio. I can multiply all elements of ratio by any non-zero number because ratio is not actual, it is comparison. Remember, ratio is not actual, it is comparison. So if you will multiply, it will become 6. 3 2 ja 6. Dekho, 3 2 ja 6, 8 and 12. It is your ratio in integer form. What next? Second step. Now dekho, what I am doing, I am seeing that what is given. Total salary is given. It is this rupee. Can I say it is actual? Can I say it is actual? Yes, it is actual. And can I say this is not actual? It is ratio. It is actual and it is ratio. So you have to make equivalent. It is called the equivalent method, and we can solve all question of ratio by equivalent method. Now see on the concentrate. There are the three number 7, 8, 12. So you have to add because the sum of salary is given. So add them. 7 plus 8, 15 and plus 8, 27. Ratio is equivalent to 13500 rupees in this question. Please concentrate. It is the method, only one method to solve the any question of ratio. Equivalent method. 27 ratio. In the ratio 27, in the actual both are the same. So you have to write one ratio is equivalent to 13500 divided by 27. Got it? So देखो 5 7 ja 35 5 3 5 okay, it's 5 times. So 500 rupees. So can I say one ratio equivalent to 500 rupees? Yes. It is called equivalent method. So in this question, one ratio is equivalent to 500 rupees. Whatever you want, you can find out with this equivalent. Please remember, it is equivalent. It is called equivalent. And if you know the equivalent, you can solve the any question. What they want, they earn salary of B. So 8 ratio equivalent to 8 into 500. It's 4,000 rupees. I think it's good. Very simple question. Also, can you solve the same question for me with the same data? Same data. I'm writing here. If difference of salary of C and A, if the difference of salary of C and A is 8,000 rupees, then what is salary of B? Batao, jaldi se batao. Tell me what is the answer of this question. If same question the same, ratio is the same, but this second step is the different. If difference of salary of C and A is 8,000, then what is the salary of B? Now, first step same. First step is always same. First, you have to simplify this ratio, and what you got? You got the A, B, C as a kitna tha? 7, 8, and 12. What is the answer? What is the answer? Tell me answer. Okay, now you have to see the what is given, what is the actual value given. So difference of the C and A given. So tell me what is the difference between the C and A? It's 12 minus 7. The difference between the C and A is the 12 minus 7. So 5 ratio, and this 5 ratio is equivalent to 8,000 rupees. In this question, the difference of the ratio of C and A means 5 ratio is equivalent to 8,000 rupees. So can I say it is equivalent? What is equivalent? One ratio is equivalent to 8,000 divided by 5. It is equivalent. Now divide. 5 1 ja 1. ठीक है, कितना हो गया? 5 6 ja 00. So one ratio is equivalent to 1,600 rupees. So what do you want? 8 ratio. So 8 ratio is equivalent to 8 into 1,600. 16 8 ja 128. I think so. 12800 rupees. Are you getting or not? So I think, are you aware about the equivalent method? Whatever actual value is given, compare with this.